Stop trying to fix her. The truth about toxic love. Have you ever caught yourself trying to fix someone who keeps breaking you? You tell yourself, if I just make more effort, she'll stop giving me such a hard time. But here's the truth. You can't fix someone who's addicted to being entitled, to someone who always wants it her way. She doesn't want you to have a life away from her. She wants control of you. Every time you bend over backwards to please her, you teach her that your boundaries don't matter. At first, she was everything. She made you feel seen, wanted, alive. Then the switch flipped. You needed to constantly text her. Her compliments turned into criticism. You started apologizing for things you didn't even do just to keep the peace. That's how toxic love works. It hooks you through highs and lows. One minute she's your safe place. Next, she's the storm. She turns on the tears and you always let her have her own way. And you stay. Because you remember how it used to feel, and it's just easier. Is it really easier? You're just wasting your time. Here's what most men don't realize. You can't love someone who doesn't want to change. You can't pour peace into a person who thrives on drama. You keep trying to fix her because deep down, fixing her feels like fixing the part of you that she broke. But that's not healing. That's self-punishment. She's showing you exactly who she is. It's you who refuses to believe it. Every time you try again, hoping she'll finally meet you halfway, you lose another piece of yourself. Your sleep, your focus, your confidence. You start walking on eggshells, editing every word. Before long, you don't even recognize the man in the mirror. That's not love. That's survival mode. And no relationship should make you shrink to be loved. Here's what real strength looks like. It's not fixing her. It's fixing the part of you that thinks love means saving someone who keeps drowning you. You stop explaining your worth. You stop behaving like a puppy dog. You stop begging for peace and admitting to things you didn't do. You stop playing her games and listening to her lies. Because real love, healthy love, doesn't make you question your sanity. It gives you space to breathe. Time to be you. When you finally walk away, you'll feel empty at first. That's normal. You're detoxing from the drama. Silence will feel strange, but that silence is where you start hearing yourself again. You'll start to remember what you like, what you want, and what you will never tolerate behavior like that again. You don't need anyone's approval. You certainly don't need her rules. You need your self-respect. And once that comes back, trust me, everything else follows. So stop trying to fix her. Stop accepting her childish behaviors. Stop being who she wants you to be. You need to walk away. You have to start rebuilding yourself. Because the man you were before her is still in there. He's just buried under all the apologies you didn't need to make. And when you stand up and finally walk away, you won't just be leaving her, you'll be leaving the version of you that forgot his own value. You'll be getting your life back. Now it's time to prove it to yourself. Make a start today. Life is too short to be stuck in an unhappy relationship. If this video hit home, give it a like. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And if you've got a mate who's going through this, share it with him. He might need to hear it too. And if you're struggling right now and need to talk, there's a contact link below. Reach out. You don't have to face it alone.